Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC. Reviewing another kind of brand, Japanese brand. It is ARII, A-R-I-I, plastic model from Japan. This is the Cessna 172 in 1/72nd scale aircraft series Skyhawk, ready to easy assemble plastic model. World famous light aircraft series. Okay, setting color decal or water sticker. This is the art of this cover. This is very attractive. I don't see who painted. Maybe this is the signature, but I cannot read it. It's hard to understand it. Well, in this side the box is very small, a little bit strong, not so strong like the Aurora ones, but this is acceptable. Well, this is the information about the dimensions, the real dimensions of the aircraft. This is the same cover with this little information. These kits are manufactured in 1992, so not so vintage, but that's fine. I think this is the skill level. Okay, the kit number is A702-300. And this is a catalog incorporated on this side with the Subaru, Bonanza, the Skymaster and other ones. Well, let's open the box in order to see the contents. This is the presentation. This is the display stand base. It's very catchy design. Let's get this bag out. This is the sprue for the display stand, the water stickers, and the building instruction is just one sheet, one paper. This is apparently the main cover with a map, sprue maps, the pieces, number of pieces 31. The dimensions of the aircraft of the model is 10.5 centimeters length by 15 centimeters wingspan. From 1992, as I told you, easy to follow the building instructions, starting with the cockpit, the fuselage halves with the cockpit. Step number 3, the cowling, the propeller, the nose landing gear with the boot, the horizontal stabilizers, the wing, the antennas, little thin antennas, the struts for landing gear and wings, and finally mounting it on the display stand. Very easy, 5 steps, and these are the markings, for by using the water stickers shim. This is very nice stripes with this kind of Caribbean blue with dark blue or black. That's extremely dark. It looks like black, with this US registration November 3405 Alpha. Cessna Skyhawk, the name, in order to apply to the display stand base. This is the arm for the display stand. I will make a little rehearsal. Should be placed right here. This is for the little name for the aircraft right here. That's for Cessna, this one. We got to paint this one in white and put this Cessna word. Or this one, sorry, this one. This is for this piece. Cessna 172. Well, let's check the fuselage. It's got guides. I polished it because I really want to build it without painting it, but I changed my mind. I will paint it. Recessed panel lines, no rivets. This is a little rehearsal. This is the slot for the display stand. Let's show how it looks like on the display stand. The display stand is too big for the scale for this aircraft, but it is a very, very nice design. Let's check the wing. It's made in one mold, no halves, so it is so easy and fast to build. This is the sprue with one solid mold landing gear boots or landing gear fairings, fairing landing gears. The thin antennas, we got to be so careful when cutting them from the sprue. This is the nose landing gear. The transclear parts, the windows. With the fairing light here. Let's check another little parts. Windscreen. This tiny windscreen, little bit cracked on one side. The rear window, this one. The struts, the wing struts, the cowling, and these are the horizontal stabilizers, one solid mold. The original glue, and this is the other sprue. Well, this is all about this wonderful model. Thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next one. Bye bye.